Hi everyone. First of all, sorry about my lockdown hair. Hopefully it won't be too distracting. Now, my students often ask me questions about make, do, or have. So I thought I would look at one of the ways that I answer that question with you today. So we're going to look at something called causatives. And they're very common in spoken English. They might be very useful, especially if you want to live or work or study in an English-speaking country. And you'll probably see as we go on why these could be quite useful for you. Okay, so as I said, we're looking at causatives, and the first thing we're going to look at is get or have plus object plus verb 3. Now by verb 3 I mean, get, got, or in an irregular verb, or wanted. It's the past participle, so that's what I mean by verb 3. So it's get or have, it doesn't matter which one you use, it's the same meaning. So get or have plus object plus verb 3. So, for example, I need to get my hair cut tomorrow. So you've got get, my hair is the object, and cut is the verb. So you can see in that example, it's something that I need doing, okay? It's a service that I need from someone. So I need to get someone to do this for me, professionally, yeah? I could cut my hair, but I probably wouldn't do a good job. So, I'm looking for a professional service, I need to pay someone. This is the kind of sentence that I use. So I need to get my hair cut tomorrow. I'm paying a hairdresser, a professional service to cut my hair. I can't do it very well myself. Another example, I'm having my house painted. I'm paying some professional decorators to come and paint my house. I'm not painting my house, somebody else is, and I'm paying them to do it. So I'm having my house painted. Another example, I have to get my car repaired. So I'm not repairing my car, I'm paying a mechanic, a professional to repair or fix my car for me. So I have to get my car repaired. And then if you could afford it, you could also say, I'm having my shopping done. So that means you're not shopping, you're paying someone to do your shopping for you. So that's quite a luxury thing. But if you're shopping, then you say, I have to do the shopping, which is a different form. It's not a causative. So you can see how useful these would be in everyday situations in an English-speaking country. When you need something done, and you need to pay someone to do that thing. Okay. So the second kind of area that we're looking at is with make and let. Let's start with let. So my manager lets me leave work early on Fridays. So you've got let plus object plus infinitive this time, not verb 3. Infinitive, bare infinitive without to. So let, object, infinitive. So my manager lets me leave work early on Fridays. So he, in other words, he allows me to leave early. I have permission to leave early. So if you're given permission, somebody allows you to do something. Okay? And then with make. Now make is when you're using make plus object plus infinitive. My teacher made me stay late because I was not on time. So in that case, somebody is forcing you to do something, or you are being forced by someone else to do something. Okay, so my teacher made me stay late because I was not on time. Or maybe my parents made me apologize to my brother. Maybe I did something bad or something that needs apologizing for. Okay, so you can see both make and let are used differently to get or have. And as we looked at before, with the first use of causatives, you can get your hair done, you can have your hair done. It doesn't matter which verb you use, get or have, as long as it's object and verb 3. Yeah. So I'm getting my hair done, I'm having my hair done, it's okay. Same meaning, either verb is okay. But with make and let, they have very specific meanings and you have to use them in the ways we just talked about. So my manager let me leave work early, my teacher made me stay late. Okay, so let is allow, make is like forcing you to do it. So those are a bit different from have or get, which we looked at first. Okay, well I hope that's helpful. There are some links below with more information if you're interested. Great, I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.